Students, today our topic is notice. First of all, we must know that what is a notice. Students, a notice is a written or printed announcement. Example, a notice for sale, a notice for the loss of article, a notice for an event. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, a competition, lost and found notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Notices are factual and to the point. The language used is simple and formal, not flowery. They are put up on display boards in schools or at public places. So, how many types of notices may be there? A notice can be written for various reasons. The format of notice remains the same in all classes. Here is a list of topics for notice writing that students must prepare. First one is a competition, an excursion trip, a lost and found notice, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition or a blood donation camp to be held, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. These are the kinds of notice. Let's have a look at the format of notice. Students, notice must be there in a box. It is a compulsion to write a notice in a box. The first thing in the notice is the name of organization or the name of, as you are the students, so then you will write your school name or the school name that has been pointed in the question. After that, we will write notice and then date by the side and between notice and heading. Students, keep in mind that name of the school, notice and headlines. These three things must be there in capital letters. Then comes to the notice body. The notice body changes changes according to the topic of the notice. As per the kind of the notice body, the content of notice is to be changed. Finally, in the last, we write the name who is writing the notice, his or her designation, then class if it is required. So I hope you all have understood the format of notice. Let's take a sample question. Suppose you are Abhinav Chavda of BDS Public School. While playing in a school playground, you have lost your water bottle. It is in steel body with a black lid and its brand name is Cello. So write a notice announcing the loss and promise a reward for the finder. Students, we will maintain a box, and in box we should write the school name on the upper side of the notice, and the school name has been given in the question is BDS Public School. That is why we should write BDS Public School in capital letters. Then, as per the format, we will write notice, N-O-T-I-C-E, notice in capital letters. Then, in the side and between notice and headline, we will write date. And students, the format of date must be date, month name, and year. Then we will write headline, and our headline in this per this note, as per this question is a lost of water bottle. So our headline is a water bottle lost. Then we will write in the notices of lost in this way. This is we are to start the notice in this way. This is to inform you all that a water bottle has been lost somewhere in school playground. First of all, it is necessary to write it is to inform you all that, and after that we will write the name of the thing which has been lost and the place where the thing was lost. In this letter, the thing which was lost, the article which was lost is water bottle, and where it was lost somewhere in school playground. That is why we have written a water bottle has been lost somewhere in school playground. It is in a steel body with a black lid on it, and its brand name is Cello. Students, after writing the name of the article and place where that article was lost, we will write the description of the body. We will write the description of the article that has been lost. The description as per the question is the article a water bottle which was lost. It is in steel body. That is why we have written it is in steel body, and it has a lid on it, and its brand name is Cello. So let's review our first three lines of the content of this notice. This is to inform you all that a water bottle has been lost somewhere in a school playground. It is in steel body with a black lid on it, and its brand name is Cello. Students, after this passage, we will conclude our notice, and the conclusion will be started like this. The finder is requested to return it to the undersigned in school canteen during recess. The place where the finder will return the article may be changed. Generally, a canteen is a place where all the students can meet. The finder is requested to return it to the undersigned in school canteen during recess. A suitable reward is promised. After the completion of notice, you will mark your signature, and after the signature you will write your name in capital letters, and then you will write class. Okay students, I hope you all have understood about the notice and how the notice uh, we should write, and if you have any question you can write in comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.